Hey, Stephen here with another video for the DIY Musician Guide. I can never say that properly. I recently realised something about posting on Instagram. Photos don't have to be square. So if you ask someone to describe the traits of Instagram, what immediately comes to mind? They might say square photos, but they don't have to be square. They can actually be 4x5, which is quite long. Now, if you already knew this, great for you. I didn't know this, so why am I so excited about it? Now, this is awesome because if your photos are longer, they'll take up more space on somebody's feed, and therefore more chance of your photos being seen and engaged with. So I'm going to go through an example of how to set this up, but let's keep this a secret between us DIY musicians for the time being, eh?
Oh, before I forget,
subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this.
You can pretty much use any graphics editor for this, but for now I'll just show you how to do it in Photoshop. So once you've got Photoshop open, you want to open your photo you want to edit, and then on a tools menu, select the crop tool. Then make sure you select 4x5 in the ratio menu. Now move your crop selection to your desired position and press enter or double click to crop. You can now save your image and upload it to your phone ready to post on Instagram. Okay, you want to open your image up in Instagram and then pinch the photo inwards so the whole of the photo is displayed, and don't worry about the white borders, they won't appear in your post. Now write your caption as normal and then hit share. That's it, you're done, you've just posted your 4x5 image. Here's a comparison showing that same image at a standard square ratio compared with our new one. That's simple, isn't it? Let me know if you're going to start posting longer photos. Subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos like this, and finally, let's keep this one between us, okay?